Hello, beautiful. It's Michelle. Today we're going to talk about leg hair. Well, body hair, hair everywhere except for the hair on your head, because maybe you want that hair. I don't want my hair. I want to shave mine.
That's neither here nor there.
One of the great things about getting older is that the hair on our body starts growing in patches. The underarm hair isn't as bad, and the leg hair has, you know, a little, it's like a forest that's been partially chopped down. But it's still there some, so we still have to do the shaving or waxing or epilating. Some of us do and some of us don't. I don't know when the last time I shaved my legs was, and that's okay because everyone's free to do whatever they want to do. But today, I have something that I'm so excited to try, and it is the Iluminage Touch for permanent hair removal. It's claiming it's the only one on the market that removes hair. It's for any color skin, any color hair, which is great because I'm kind of pale. And my hair's not dark, it's medium color, and some of it's blonde. First thing I want to do is show you this cute little storage box. I love when my beauty products have a storage box because then I can store them in my beauty room in a very neat and concise way. So this is great. This is called Iluminage Touch, and I may have already said that, but that's fine. This is my first video in 6 months. It is really one of the higher end LEDs, hair removal things. I can't remember what it's called. IPL. It's an IPL. And I'm curious also if it would help with my rosacea, because I had IPL done multiple years ago for my rosacea, and my face was beautiful for a while. And it worked. So I don't know if this one's going to be strong enough. Now, I've tried some of the cheaper IPLs that you can get from Amazon for 20 bucks. I didn't have success with any of those. So this one is the Deluxe. Skin Store sent this to me. They let me pick it, and this is what I wanted. I've been wanting one for so long. They let me pick it, and they're giving you a 25% off code. See that right there? It'll also be in my description bar, along with a link to this and all the products that I've used on my face, which is very minimal. It's a summery look. This is supposed to be super easy to use. I so far love everything about it. I just love how sleek and small this is. Oh, it's hard to get it in there. Okay. These are fancy. It's a little, what are these little things called?
You know what they are. We were having a shortage of them recently, I think.
This is the precision adapter. So if you're doing, maybe you just want a certain area of your face, you can use this. What you're supposed to do before you even use it is to shave the area. And I never shave, as I mentioned earlier. There's this. This is a shaver. And you can shave your legs before you do it. It's all in one. It's everything you need to be hair free for the summer. For the first time in a while. You remove this by pulling. Oh, that was easy. Super easy. And then you just slide this in. This will be the hard part, I bet. See what I'm dealing with here? That doesn't go in there. What if I turn around? Have they made a mistake? No, they haven't. Okay. I'm gonna put that back on. I made the mistake, not them. And then this one comes off. There we go. Turn it on. Press that. It's saying it's an epilator. It called it an epilator, but no epilating, just razoring. And you thought I was kidding about my hairy legs. I tweren't. I twasn't. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. I should probably take that off now. I don't know if I should or not, but that's what I did. Got one smooth area where there's no hair. We're not gonna do extra work right now. And then we're gonna start on low energy because that's what it tells us to do. Low energy. Then it says to press this. No, this. That isn't working. Well, maybe this has to be in there for that to work. Yeah, wonder. Yep, there it goes. I'm so excited. That couldn't have been easier. Every time it flashed, you're supposed to move it. The old ones that I had from Amazon and whatnot, you had to press the button each time and it was so time consuming. But this does all the work for you and you just move it along. You're supposed to go over the area 2 or 3 times. You're supposed to come back and do it once a week for 7 weeks because hair grows at different rates. Some hairs are sleeping, some hairs are partying, others are laying out in the sun. So you want to be able to get them all dead. You're killing all the hairs so you never have to shave again. Skin Store sells this and so many other products. So use that code for 25% off anything at Skin Store. But get this. Let's get this. Everyone get this. Get this and let's all report back in 7 weeks how it's doing. I love it, but what do I know?